Tired of manually entering payroll journal entries into your accounting software? If you want to sync ADP with QuickBooks or Xero automatically, you're not alone. Today, we're integrating ADP with your accounting system. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The integration pushes a summary of each payroll from ADP into your general ledger in QuickBooks or Xero, saving you time and reducing errors. Step 1. Find the integration hub. In ADP, look for App Store, Integrations, or Partner Connections. Search for QuickBooks Online or Xero. You'll start the process of authorizing the connection between the two systems. Step 2. Map your accounts. The most important step is mapping. You'll tell ADP which accounts in your chart of accounts correspond to gross wages, employee taxes payable, employer taxes, and other payroll items. This ensures the journal entry posts correctly. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: do a test run with a single payroll. Before relying on the integration for all future payrolls, process a small, off-cycle payroll or use a past payroll to generate a test journal entry. Review it in QuickBooks to ensure the accounts and amounts are mapped correctly before going live. So, just like that, you can eliminate manual data entry and ensure your books are always in sync. Automating the journal entry process goes a long way in efficient bookkeeping. Now I'm curious, which accounting software do you use, QuickBooks Online, Desktop, or Xero? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.